So I have an empty folder open in which I'm going to create a file and name it index.html, inside which I'll add the boilerplate of HTML, and the title would be stroke effect using pure CSS, pure CSS, just like this. And now I'll create a list inside it that would be an unordered list, so UL, and then we'll have 4 LIs inside it, and in every LI we'll create anchor tag. And in href I'll add, like in every href, I'll add hashtag so that the page does not reload itself, and then home, about us, our team, and at last contact us. Okay, let's change this to contact us. Here we go, and now let's open it with live server, and we have this. And if you're wondering how did I open it with live server and what is live server, which theme am I using, what is the font that I'm currently using, my settings, my preferences, if you're wondering all those, then you can check the video out that is linked in the cards and in the description as well, in which I showed you the installation and customization of Visual Studio Code that helps you boost your productivity to the next level. So definitely go and check that video out. Now let's come back to this tutorial, and after doing this I'll create one more file, and that would be a style.css file. And now let's link these. Let's create a link and then style.css. Okay, now to style.css I'll give some basic stylings to my universal operator and to pseudo elements that you also must add, because these are the stylings that everyone should have in their style sheets. And then now to body I'll give, let's open them side by side, and let's increase the width of this. And to body I'll give background of 131313, and then okay, after this I'll come to my UL. I'll give height 100%, width 100%, and this would take the height and width of our body. So let's give body the height and width. The height of body would be 100 VH, the width of body would be 100%, like this. And now after taking the entire width of our body, I want to give a display flex to it, and when we add display flex, it would align each and every child element of this UL in horizontal direction. So this is what display flex does. But if you do not want that, then we can change the direction by saying flex direction, and the default property is row, so that this is why it is aligning it in horizontal direction. So we can change this to column, and then it would align in vertical direction by default. But if we wanted to do that, then why did we use display flex? We use display flex because we want to add justify content here as well. And what justify content will do, like if I say space around, and then let's zoom out, and then if I hit save here, then this is what this justify content space around is going to do. And now I can also add a line item center it to center it in the X direction. And the last thing, I like to remove those bullet points, and we remove those bullet points from here. And now to LI, I'll just increase the font size. So I'll say font size to 3 rems, and then now I'll come back to anchor, and then I'll say color white, and then text decoration none. Text decoration none will remove the underline effect from that. And now I would like to just grab on some fonts from Google Fonts. So I'll say fonts.google.com, and then I'll search for limelight, because this suits the best for this project. And then I'll click on select the style, and in at import I'll copy this function, and now at the very top I'll paste this like this. And now in this li I'll add my font family size. Copy this, let me copy this like this, and then I'll paste it. Here we go, we have our font. And now the main thing, I would like to add the stroke effect. So for the stroke, let me add this to anchor tag. So for the stroke, what we have to do is, inside this anchor, wherever you want. I want this inside my anchor tag. So in anchor I'll say WebKit text stroke like this, and then if you add at last color, then you can say color, and then you will also have to define like width, and the width, if you write 1 pixels, then you see no change. This is because you are adding color to it. So if I remove the color, or if I add transparent to this, then you can see the stroke. Even if you change the color to, let's say, red, then also you'll see the stroke, but let's add transparent at this case. Okay, so you can see the stroke, and if you change this 1 pixels to maybe 10 pixels, then the width of the stroke would be a lot like this, but 1 pixel is just fine. Okay, so here you go, you can set the stroke to this, and you know what, you can just combine these two properties. So let me comment these, and then you can say WebKit stroke, text stroke, WebKit text stroke, and you can combine these two property. And first you'll have to go with the width, let's say white, and then the color white. So if I change now to 5 pixels, then you can see the change of the width. So let me change it back to 1 pixels, and now let's add some hover effect. So I'll say whenever we hover on A, we want to change the color from transparent to white, and let's add a transition as well. So I'll say transition color 200 milliseconds is in out like this, and here you go. And to make it a bit more interesting, you can also add a letter spacing to it. So I'll say letter spacing maybe 2 pixels, not much, and let's change this color to all here, and then let's see, here you go. So we have the effect, we have some hover effect, we have the text stroke with this property, and with this we have completed our today's project. And if you want to see more of such tutorials, hit the like button, make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and press that bell icon to get the instant notification of our latest videos. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.